Hello YouTube and welcome Diecast family. Today let's check out a Hot Wheels 48 car display. So ordered this from Mattel. It was $50 plus like $7 for shipping, so $57. I used to always get them on Amazon for $50 free shipping, but can't seem to find them on Amazon anymore for less than $70 free shipping. So we'll go ahead and pull this out. It's going to be hard holding a camera. Let me go ahead and pause this for a minute. Alright. I just cut the bottom side of it. And then we'll pull this off. And there it is. There's the whole display. And this comes with the BMW. So you can see how it looks. Then we'll crack this open. We'll get out the BMW. I'm going to set you down again. And here it is. Now this car is a major pain in the butt to get out of here. I won't make you suffer through it with me. So I'll pause it. I'll take this car out. And then we'll hang it up. Now all this held in that car. It was taped in there. And a big pain in the butt to get out. So. But we got the car out. The car is actually worth almost as much as the display. These always sell for 30, 40 bucks, and I'm sure the gasser is going to go up in price. But this is my 5th display. I'm really happy with these displays. I do not sell the car. Although I might pick up a second display, and if I do, it will be available for trade if I have an extra. I still have an extra gasser, but you can see my other 4 displays. I hung up this piece of wood here so I can hang this display up on it. It's over by my workbench, and I'm going to display my all my customs in it that I make. So I have plenty of room to hang another one above it. So I'll be back after I hang it up. Alright, we got her hung up now. Now let's get her filled up with my customs that I've been putting in here. Unfortunately, this is full, which means it's going to instantly fill this up. So first off, I think we'll start with my custom gassers. And I'm definitely going to want to leave room for more custom gassers. This side over here. I'll start with my custom 510 wagons. We'll put my 510s under that. We got my Chem Block Customs and my Monster Energy Customs. And one I hang above this one when I get it probably is going to be all the customs that I've purchased or got from other YouTubers that are loose. We'll put cool combis over here. Oh, shoot, still gotta screw that one together. But we'll put these over here. Over here. Maybe I'll put this over here. It's kind of like a Hollywood custom. What other ones do I want to display? Definitely want to display that one. Definitely want to display that one. And this one. And we got a lot more 510s coming, so stay tuned for them. We'll put this one down here. So we'll get this filled up in no time with some really awesome customs. And then definitely gonna pick up another one to put up above it so I can put the customs I purchased into it. I'm not gonna put out all my customs yet. Ones that I just did a wheel swap on, they might just stay in one of these jammers. So, but love the quality of these. The shelves, I wish they were just smooth, or maybe just had the ridge to divide the cars. The center ridge, unless it's a vehicle that sits up pretty high, it sits on it. And I don't like it when it, like all these cool combis, they just sit on and slide around, and I do not like that. Besides that, you're paying, if you get them from Hot Wheels and not the secondhand market, you're paying a little over $1 a spot for a car. So it's quite a bit, but if you buy protectors and put your Cardi cars in protectors, you're paying around $1 or more to protect them. These are really nice, dust proof, with the nice plastic doors on it that close really nice. Now, I've had these since they started coming out. Like I said, I have 4 of them. So they look really good on the wall, all next to each other. You can see, got like a bunch of supers in that one. Some harder to get Hot Wheels or 100% or IDs. That one, I got some older ones. Got some customs. Some RLC. That's the only Johnny Lightning in there. And it's just because it's a chrome one, and makes me nervous about the paint on it, so I like it being protected in there. But absolutely love these Hot Wheels displays. I'll continue to buy them long as I can figure out somewhere to hang them up at. And this one got all my gassers in. So let me know what you guys think of it. I highly recommend them. Make sure to like, subscribe, definitely leave comments, and have an awesome day.